my channel. This is Alma Lasso. And happy Wednesday. I just got home from my work. And this is my Friday. Tomorrow until Sunday is my day off. Yay! Alright. I just got this Sensi box. Alright, I'll show it to you. There we go. So this is the first time I have ordered for the kids. I just want to show it to you guys that Sensi is not only making a warmer, diffuser, waxes, or even the household or personal essential. They're always selling the stuffed toys. They call it bodies. Okay, so let's start now. Then I'm so excited, and this body I'm gonna give it to Michelle. Okay, all right. So let's start. Here we go. So this box is also contains some stuff that I have to use it for my sales. Okay, so this one. Alright, if I want to recruit someone, then I'll just gonna give this pamphlet. Alright, and by the way, it's $99 for the starter kit. If you are interested, guys, alright, just let me know, and then please join to my team, and then I definitely gonna support you and give you advice what to do, just to promote your sales or just to promote the Sensi. So I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, so I have 2 pack, and then every time I'm giving some samples, I also included this pamphlet that you guys gonna be aware what's going on with the Sensi, read everything, understand everything, and then they also have a training on their website. And as what I've said, if you are interested, I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, and of course I bought this one also, which is a pen. All right, I love pens. Okay, I love stationery. I love when it comes with the office supplies. Okay, I don't know, that's my cup of tea. Okay, so this one is, I'm gonna give it away. All right, and it's like a freebies. Okay, every time I'm gonna say thank you to you guys, so I'll make it sure that I'll include this kind of pen. This is for my marketing thing. Alright. It's a black ink, alright, with the different colors. So this is green, and then black, red, and everything. It's a 10 pieces per pack. And the next one, okay? Here we go, because I really need this paperwork every time I'm doing my sales. And as what I've announced to my Facebook, that they have a new catalog, which is 2021 spring and summer. All right, but I only bought this one, not the catalog itself. Okay, so that every time I'm sending to everybody, it's not too heavy for the mail. All right, so this is the product list of Sensi, and you can see all the pictures of the warmers, the mini warmers, but it doesn't show here some of their products. Alright, like the fabric softener, the personal household essentials, and even for the pets and for the kids, they don't have it here. So this is basically for the warmer, mini warmer, and diffuser. Okay, so for me, this is the most important thing. You don't need their other pamphlets, because you just go to my link, and then it shows everything there. Okay, all right, that's why the most important really is the link. All right, so the next one, here we go. This one, they call it a scent pack. Okay, you can buy this one individually, and this one is one of their scent. It's like the scent circle, the one you're using in the car. This one you can use it to your closet, to your pocketbook. Okay, and it really smells so good. This is the flavor of Go Go Mango. Okay, So every time you gonna buy a Sensi body, okay, it always comes with this one, and then there's a lot of choices of scents or fragrance. You just gonna click it, okay. I'll show it to you here. Look at this one. So it shows there everything. What scents do you want? So this is the one I order, which is Bailey. All right, and then for this one, okay, this is really advisable for me. I would rather get this one. Here we go, Bailey the bunny. All right. So as you can see, it's a little box, but let's open it now. As what I've said, I'm gonna give this one to Michelle so I can open it. Alright. I'm not opening the box if for the customer. I'm not doing that one for the safety purposes, because I don't want you guys that you're gonna feel gross. As much as possible, all my products that I'm selling, eh, everything are fresh. I don't want to open it. I don't want to show it to you unless the customer allows me to open it. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, look at that one, so soft. It's velvet fur. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, you know what? Definitely the one who's gonna like this one, not only Michelle, my 3 doggies. Oh my god. He's so cute. Mwah! Hi. Oh my god, this is huggable. Here we go. Teddy is here. Alright. So I'll open the scent pack. Okay. Then I'll show it to you how you're gonna use this one for the bodies, okay? So the stuffed toys, they call it Sensi bodies, okay? Oh my god, this smells so good. Holy cow. Here we go. So that you guys have an idea how it looks like. Alright. And you can see at the back, there's a lot of beads, which produces a fragrance, okay? So at the back of the stuffed toys, okay? Oh, by the way, you can see this one also. Alright, the tag. Alright, and then you can see also it says Sensi. And open at the back, okay? Let's open the back. It's like a zipper, okay? There we go. And then you just gonna put it inside. There we go. And this is safe for the kids, okay? If you want to give this as a gift to your kids or to your goddaughters, godkids, okay? Or godchildren, okay? This is safe. This scent pack is safe for the babies and for the kids. All right, look at that one. Now it smells so good. Oh my god, the best creation ever. Okay, imagine that one. All right, and then of course the kids is gonna enjoy it. And then as what I've said, it's huggable, smells so good, and it's really safe, okay? And it's only $30, okay? It's really reasonable. So if you want to buy a Bailey the bunny, okay, you just go to my link, almalasa28.sensi.us, okay? If you come from or if you live at Canada or Mexico, you can access also to my website. Here, I'll show it to you how it looks like, okay? You're gonna see that there's a flag Alright, just click that one and change it to Canada. So here we go. Did you see the American flag? You can see also the Canadian flag and the Mexican flag, okay? Just click that one, and then of course the price will change. Canada, of course, the price will change, likewise with the Mexican flag. Alright, so if you have any question, just call me or just send me a message through Messenger, okay? Or you know my telephone number, you can call me, okay? Alright, the next one. Here we go. This is a tabletop, okay? I'm gonna use this one for my, remember I have a mini warmer that I just bought it last time from my last video that I showed to you guys. Alright, if you don't like the plug-in, this is the tabletop, okay? I'll show it to you. See how you gonna figure out that Scentsy really do their best so that they're gonna be more innovative, okay? And which is awesome. They're trying their best so that their customer will be happy all the time for their products, okay? So here we go. Can you see that one? And then there's a Scentsy thing. So here we go. This mini warmer, it calls Glitter Rose Gold Mini Warmer, okay? So I'm using this one in my bathroom. It's really hot still. Alright, I just got it from my bathroom. Alright, so remove the plug in. And then I'll show it to you guys, okay? Here we go. As what I've said, there's two kinds of tabletop. One for the glass. This is a glass, and I think the other one is for the porcelain. Okay, so see, it fits. Okay, so you can put this one beside you while you're doing your computer or your desktop. Okay, or anything that if ever inside the room, anything that with a small space. Alright, you can use this kind of thing, like in the bathroom also. You can do this one also, put in your bathroom if you don't want to plug in. Alright, so it's beautiful, right? There we go. So I hope you guys gonna consider the tabletop also. At least you have two choices, the plug-in and the tabletop. Okay, the tabletop, I think it's cost $15. Okay, so cheap. Alright, but every time you gonna buy the mini warmer, it comes with this plug-in. Always remember that one. Okay, so and I think that's it, guys. And I hope you learned something from me again for my Scentsy products. Okay, and as what I've said, if you need anything, just send me a message, call me, or okay, and then just go to my link, almalasso28.scentsy.us, and okay, and I love you guys. Well, I'll see you next time, okay? Bye! Oh, by the way, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click the bell notification, and share to everybody, especially to those people who love Scentsy, who loves the warmer, the diffuser, the oils, and the waxes, and definitely 110% sure you're gonna love Scentsy waxes, and it's amazing. Okay, I never have a regret of selling this product. This is my passion. Okay, that's why I'm just showing to you guys what are the products they have it. Okay, and then in my next video, okay, they have a lot of sales happened last Monday, so I bought something, and then I'll show it to you again. Okay, well, again, I love you.